in this video I'm going to teach you on how to solve the spontaneous equation. I'm going to teach you about spontaneous equations. So as you can see, spontaneous equation. Now to start with, what is the spontaneous equation? A spontaneous equation is a system of equation that involves finding two unknowns, finding the value of two unknowns from two different equations. Finding the value of two unknowns using two expressions. So a spontaneous equation can be solved using different methods. So it can be solved using different methods. Methods. You can solve a spontaneous equation using elimination method. You can solve the spontaneous equation using substitution method. You can solve it using matrix. You can also solve it using graphs. So these are four main methods of solving the spontaneous equation. So a spontaneous equation, if you solve the spontaneous equation using elimination method, the answer that you get when you use this method should be the same answer that you can still get using substitution method, even using the matrix method, even using graphical methods. So whichever method that you can use, you can get the same answer. The method that you use doesn't matter. So now in this video I'm going to teach you how do we solve a spontaneous equation using elimination method, using number one method. Elimination method. How do you solve a spontaneous equation using elimination method? So eliminating, the word eliminating, eliminating or elimination, it involves removing something, to get rid of it or removing it, removing something. So to eliminate means to remove something. So when we say elimination method, we mean out of the process we have to get rid of something. So now an example, let's look at an example so that we see how do we remove what we are given. For example, if I say solve the following equations using elimination method. So we have 2x plus 4y is equals to 6, where x minus 7y is equals to negative 15. So this is the equation. How do we solve this equation using elimination method? So to eliminate, eliminate, we need to choose the letter that we can eliminate here. So you can decide which letter do you want to eliminate from the equation. So we have x's, y, so which letter among the two? So for example, if we decide to eliminate x, okay, we have 3x plus 4y is equals to 6. Okay, x minus 7y is equals to negative 15. If you decide to eliminate x, so we can eliminate x. First, we need to check the coefficients of the x in the first equation and the coefficient of x in the second equation. So the coefficient of x in the first equation is 2. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 1. So to eliminate, we need to multiply these equations by swapping the coefficients. So we'll multiply the first equation. Since the coefficient of x in the first equation is 2, meaning that we're going to multiply the second equation by 2. Then the second equation has a coefficient of 1. Multiply the first equation with 1. So here I've indicated 1 multiplying by everything there and the 2 multiplied by everything. I've just swapped the coefficients. The second one multiplied by 2. Okay. Then the coefficient here is 1. I multiply it by that. So then we rearrange it after multiplying. So we'll find 1 times 2x. 1 times 2x, we have 2x. 1 times 4y, it is 4y. 1 times 6, it is 6. 2 times 2x, it is 2x. 2 times negative 7y, it is negative 14y, is equal to negative 30. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. So to eliminate this, we check now, since we have similar things on x, similar coefficients. So we have 2x, 2x. So what can we do to eliminate x? So to eliminate x if and only if we subtract the 2. Okay? So here is the tip. So if you find the coefficients here have the same signs, if they have the same signs and the same coefficients, you need to subtract. Okay? But if they have different signs, the coefficients here, despite of having the same size figures, you add them. Okay? So I can advise, say, same sign, same signs you add, or same signs you subtract. So for that you subtract, but different signs you add. So in this case we have same signs here, meaning same signs we subtract. That's the reason I've indicated subtracting here. So 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x, it is 0. Okay, let me show you. We are going to have 2x, this 2x, then minus 2x, 2x minus 2x, then plus 4y, this 4y here, 4y minus negative 4y, 14y. Okay, 4y minus negative 14y, then equals to 6, this 6 here, minus this minus here, negative 30. So we have, when we simplify this, give us 0. So we have plus, this plus 4y minus negative 14. So negative times negative is positive. So we have 4y plus 14y which gives us 18y is equal to 6 minus negative 30. It is negative, the negative positive, so it is 6 plus 30, producing 36. So therefore we have 18y is equals to 36 divided by 18 divided by 18, y is equal to 2. Okay, y is equals to 2. Now to find x, we pick any equation from our equations, any of them, either equation 1 or equation 2. The choice is yours. You can choose any equation that you may want. So if you choose equation 1, for example, we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 6, where y is 2. So you have 2x plus 4y is 2 is equal to 6. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 minus 8. So 2x is equal to negative 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Your x is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 2. So this is how you solve a spontaneous equation using elimination method. So the answers for our equation here is x is negative 1 and y is negative, or y is equal to